Hi guys, so I'm connecting this G strategy workshops in case you want to attend today online at 10 p.m. tomorrow today in Vashi at 6 to 8 p.m. then Nagpur, Pune. If you're based in any of these location, please do attend this workshop for your G strategy. And today I'm going to cover up verbal ka G strategy, the shortcuts in vocabulary. So in case you want to attend how to prepare for the CAT exam, CET exam, CMAT exam, then you should attend this workshop. Hi guys, when you're given the CAT exam, score versus percentile is a very important factor we need to take care of. So this is based on the scale score which is published in the CAT scorecard. So my data is based on that thing. So first target or the minimum percentile which you need to get for a college where they start giving the admission is 60 percentile, and overall 27 marks is 60 percentile. And that's why those who are going for the exam, and that's my first target for you, is by May get 27 to 30 marks. यार देखा तो 37 marks is not a big deal, but you have beaten almost 60% of the competition is behind you if you just score 27 marks. या इसका मतलब यह है कि भैया पेपर कितना टफ है. उल्टा भी लेके चलो. Okay, 36 marks is 70 percentile. Same way you can see the verbal 70 percentile in verbal, DI logic and quant. Overall we become 36 percentile. Now don't do that math कि 18 plus 20 12 plus 9 is not 36. ये अलग क्राइटेरिया है, ये अलग क्राइटेरिया है, ये अलग क्राइटेरिया, ओवरऑल क्राइटेरिया है. दिस इज योर स्कोर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इंडिविजुअल परसेंटाइल. परसेंटाइल मीन इंडिविजुअल रैंक. ठीक है, तो आप ऐड मत करके चलो. ओके, दे आर 4 सेपरेट रेस एंड व्हाट इज द रैंक इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रेस विल गिव यू द परसेंटाइल. ओके, 80 percentile where the decent colleges start. Trust me guys, if you ask me, do not join any college which have a cutoff of less than 70% at least. 70 के नीचे वाले कॉलेजेस को ज्वाइन मत करना. वहां जाके अगर प्लेसमेंट ना मिला तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम आएगी. हाँ, अगर वैसे एमबीए ही करना है, डिग्री चाहिए तो कर लो, फिर देन अलग बात है. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं ना क्यों बोलूँ यार, बिकॉज तुम में से लोग आएंगे, कुछ लोग ना दिल का कमेंट, एमबीए यू आर वाई यू आर सो मनी माइंडेड. एमबीए इज नॉट अबाउट मनी, एमबीए इज अबाउट द लर्निंग. तो कर बेटा लर्निंग, क्योंकि जॉब नहीं मिलेगा तो बोलना मत, तो लर्न करना बैठ के फिर घर पे. फिर तो कोई डैडी कराएंगे इस लर्निंग. डैडी और मम्मी की चप्पल तो कराएगी, बेटा इधर आओ, क्या कहाँ है तुम्हारे एमबीए के मार्क्स, कहाँ है तुम्हारा एमबीए का ये प्लेसमेंट. 80 percentile is where the good college start. 46 marks is 80 percentile. 90, even if you're from the reserved category, you will start getting the IM calls at 80 percentile. So 46 marks in the CAT paper is your target. 90 percentile where non-engineers can get IM calls is 60 marks. 95 percentile is 72 marks. That should be the first target. Those who are going for the exam next year, your target should be 72 marks, so that 72 to 75 was the cutoff last year. This year 72 marks. You can get the IM call easily. Even if you're an engineer, yes, even if you're an engineer, you can get the IM calls. 95 percentile. 97 percentile, 80 marks. 99 percentile, 100 marks. 99.9 is 120 marks. So if you are a general engineer male, that should be your target, 99.9 percentile. If you want the main IMs, IM ABC. Okay. And then 100 percentile, 180 marks. So this is your score versus percentile. So if you want to set some target, first target is to get 27 marks by May. Those are starting now. Otherwise you can keep a target at 50 marks, 60 marks, वो आपके ऊपर है. Then the next target become 45 to 50 marks. That is the target in August. By October, if you can touch 72 marks, then by November we can easily touch 100 marks, and that's your nirvana. All I can say is, get 90 percentile, 99 percentile, irrespective of your academic record, irrespective of background, you are going to the top college. If not through CAT, then other exams. Then if not through IIMs and non-IIMs, other places. Okay. So this data will help you when you are preparing for those who have given the CAT exam, to help them understand how everyone has performed, and those who are starting the preparation now, it will make them understand that what should be my target setting. So minimum target is 100. If you're a gem, then 120. अब देखो यार 99 और 99.9 में सिर्फ 20 मार्क का गैप है, ओनली 20 मार्क्स का गैप. Alright, so we're launching a program. In case you want to join our program, you are most welcome to join. We are starting with our program. Just call the numbers given in that description box. Alright, all the best.